Episode 3. Solve the following linear equation. Number A. X plus 1 by 2 equals to 3. Simple thing, we will multiply both sides by 2. So x plus 1 divide 2 times 2 equals to 3 times 2. So this 2 and 2 out. We can write x plus 1 equals to 3 times 2 is a 6, right? Then x plus 1 minus 1 equals to 6 minus 1. It means we want this plus 1 transferred to right side. So plus 1 minus 1 out, our answer will be x equals to 6 minus 1, 5. Very smart. Number B, we can write in here. Here is B. 4 equals to x minus 2 divide 3. So we can multiply both sides by 3. So 4 times 3 equals to x minus 2 by 3 times 3. So this 3 and 3 out, it means we are dividing. Now 4 times 2 is a 12 equals to x minus 2. Now 12, here is a minus 2, so plus 2 equals to x minus 2 plus 2. So here is 14, minus 2 plus 2 out, our answer x equals to 14, right? Very simple. Number C, x minus 10 by 3 equals to 4. So first we have to out these 3. Therefore x minus 10 by 3 times 3 equals to 4 times 3. Then these 3 and these 3 out, so we can write x minus 10 equals to 4 times 3 is a 12. Now x minus 10 plus 10 equals to 12 plus 10. This 10 out, our answer is x equals to 12 plus 10, 22. Number D. 8 equal 5x minus 1 by 3. This one we can write 8 times 3 and 5x minus 1 divide 3 times 3. We are multiplying both sides by 3. So this 3 and this 3 out. Here is 24 equals to 5x minus 1. Now this is 24, this minus 1, so we can write plus 1 equals to 5x minus 1 plus 1. We are adding both sides by 1. 24 plus 1 is a 25 equals to minus 1 plus 1 out, 5x. Now we are dividing both sides by 5, so 25 by 5 equals to 5x by 5. Now this 5 and 5 out, and 25 by 5 is a 5. Now we can write 5 equals to x. Very simple. So finally number A, B, C, D done. Number E. 2 times x minus 5 divide 3 equals to 2. Now we are adding both sides by 3, so we can write x minus 5 by 3, not adding, multiplying by 3, so 2 times 3. So this 3 and 3 out, so here is 2x minus 5 equals to 6. Now we will divide both sides by 2, so 2x minus 5 by 2 equals to 6 by 2. So these kinds of thing we can also write in here, like we can write like here is a 2 times x minus 5 by 3. It means 2 times x minus 5 by 3. We can multiply 3 by 2, also similar thing. It means 3, here is a 2 and times 3 by 2. So this 2 and 2 out, this 3 and 3 out. We can write here is x minus 5, this 2 and 2 out, equals to 3. So similar thing, here is also 2 by 2, 6 by 2, here is a 3, and finally x minus 5 equals to 3. Now we can write x minus 5 plus 3, sorry, 5 plus 5, and here is 3 plus 5, and then minus 5 plus 5 out, x equals to 8. Here is also very similar thing, x minus 5 plus 5, 3 plus 5, and finally minus 5 plus 5 out, x equals to 8. So both way are correct, you can follow any one. Number F. This one, look, we can write 3 times x minus 2 divide 4, and we have to out this one. How can we implement this one? First, best way we can write like 3 times x is a 3x minus 6, and here is 4 times 4, and here is 4x minus 8 times 4. Therefore, this 4 and 4 out, here is 3x minus 6, and here is 4 times 4 is a 16x, and minus 8 times 4 is a 32. Then here is 3x, and here is 16x, we can write minus 16x, right? And here is a minus 6, we can write also plus 6. And similar thing, here is a 16x, and we will minus 16x, and here is what, minus 32, and we are adding plus 6. Okay, so now one by one we will deduct something like minus 6 plus 6 out. So 3x minus 16x, it will be minus 13x equal plus 16x minus 16x out, 32 plus 6 is a 38. Okay, then we can write, or we can divide both sides by minus 13. So it will be x equals to minus 38 by 13. So this is our answer, x equals to minus 38 by 13. I hope you clear this one. This video I am also trying to solve 6 math based on linear equation. Step by step we are trying to lots of practice based on linear equation. No more today, my channel Math Jeep. I hope you will subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.